rum glaze has soaked. This smells so alcoholic. Stop, bro.
You passing me about a belly.
I love these. Quick and easy. So all you have to do is literally just crack an egg. So this one is a veggie one, and it comes with peppers and cheese. It's like 3 little packs on the inside. 1 pack is peppers, 1 pack is like cheddar cheese, and another pack is like white cheese. So like you crack your egg in first. I do 2 eggs. So you crack in your 2 eggs, then you put in the fixins, which is like the peppers and the cheese, and then you stir it up, microwave it, and breakfast.
Other thing is that the heaviest children also perform more poorly on computer-based
Hot.
Here's where we hit pause, because, like many studies we talk about, this was not a cause and effect. This was merely an association, and not only that, but they don't even know in which direction the association went, right? Was it obesity leading to brain changes, or was it pre-existing brain structural changes that actually led to obesity?
So remember how I said I spent $100 on chocolate? Well, this was one of the things that I bought. It was actually for today's white elephant gift exchange at work. My company, they love them some golf. And so golf mixed with chocolate makes a great white elephant gift. So hopefully they like it. My poopy. My poopy. Hi, poopsies. This is really chocolate though. Like, can you believe it? Chocolate. First wrapped gift of the season. I'm really good. I'm good. Ah! I saw one at White Elephant. I got pants and knives. Super happy. Alright, you guys, my work day is over. I don't even know if I have anything else to show you today because when I get home, I need to work on my presentation for tomorrow. So I may just combine today and tomorrow because this is really about to be a 5-minute vlog. Like, I didn't do anything today except for come to work. So that's that. But everyone loved my rum cake as usual. As usual, the rum cake was a hit. And I hit the jackpot with the white elephant. Whew. Hey y'all. Today has been a day. So I didn't finish a project that I needed to finish in time. So because of that, I needed to stay home to finish my project. So what I did is like I worked half day from home so I can finish the project. And now I'm about to eat real quick. Because I haven't eaten all day. It's 2:36 and I have yet to eat. So I'm about to eat my favorite outside of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, this Special K fruit and yogurt, and get dressed because I have to drive to class because now I have to actually present the presentation that I had to finish. Y'all, I almost cried this morning because I just thought that it wasn't going to work. We'll see what happens. I'm not really too confident about what's about to happen in this presentation, but at this point it is what it is. I did not even realize that it snowed or iced or whatever it did. Like, I completely missed that part of the day. On campus. Yo, wish me luck on this presentation. Oh my gosh. I cannot. I wonder what's going on here. Jesus.
Relevant to explain your project. So it's not necessary if, I need that in particular, but if that's important in explaining your problem, then that would be
Systems test.
Hmm?
Systems test class.
Did I what?
Did you get the grades for that class?
No. Actually, I didn't look today. I looked yesterday,
Yeah, yes.
and the only thing that was there was, of course, the final, but not as far as the group presentations or anything.
Yeah. The self-assessment that could get ugly.
All right, we have,
I carried my group.
I know you did.
Okay, so class went over. Well, presentations. We got a little too excited with the presentations, but I think I did good. I hope I did good. I don't know. We'll see what my grade is. But our final for that class is next week. So I am home and I can hear my dog barking from inside my car. That dog got some lungs on him. But no. So this is the first combination vlog of Vlogmas. The first time I've combined 2 days. Oh my god. But thanks for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.